Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can sign up in your Janitor AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.janitorai.com. So once you do this, you will end up in the official website where all you need to do is simply tap on the register option. Once you tap on register, you need to type in your email address and the password of your email address. So once you do this, you will receive an email in your mail after you press the register button. So now simply go back and check your email account for any mails received. So now you can see that you have gotten a mail from Janitor AI team. So simply tap on the confirm email option, and once you do this, you need to simply type in your name and your username, and you are all set with your public profile. So simply type in your name, your username, and if you want, then you can also reset your password as well. So simply press on update profile and your profile will be updated. Simply press on the Janitor AI icon and you are free to use your Janitor AI as you have been signed up into your account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.